Dr. Augis, what is your experience of doing psychotherapy?
I have been doing psychotherapy for more than 35 years, in 3 different countries and 5 different languages: Lithuanian, Finnish, Polish, Russian and English.
How long did it take for you to become a psychoanalyst?
I received my basic psychoanalytic training in Finland and it lasted over 6 years. For all that time I participated in seminars a couple of times a week when together with my colleagues and professors we studied psychoanalytic texts. In addition, experienced psychoanalysts checked weekly my work with the patients, and I myself underwent 4 times a week psychoanalysis.
Was there something wrong with you?
No, I was okay. It is part of training in order to know better how the patient feels and also to deal with my own unresolved psychological conflicts.
Is it true that all psychoanalysts are somehow related to Sigmund Freud?
My analyst was analyzed by another Scandinavian analyst who was analyzed by a very close Freud's colleague Paul Federn. So there is some very distant connection. Also I came to Cleveland to be trained by Erna Furman, who was a student and a close friend of Sigmund Freud's daughter Anna Freud. Mrs. Furman was an incredible analyst.
After studying psychoanalysis in Helsinki you moved to Cleveland? How long have you studied here?
9 more years. So, total it took me about 15 years to complete psychoanalytic training.
15 years? You were a slow learner.
OMG.
That's not true. Usually I am a fast learner. Psychoanalysis treats humans' mind with more respect and more caution than many other therapies. It takes time to learn to appreciate the uniqueness of humans' mind and feelings.
Do you teach now?
Yes, I teach in the Cleveland Psychoanalytic Center and individually consult psychotherapists.
How do I know if psychoanalysis is for me?
There are many different therapies and psychoanalysis is not for everyone. It is not for you if you are impatient and look only for immediate results. Some very serious mental disorders, like psychoses, require psychiatric treatment and medications. Psychoanalysis is for people who are seriously interested in exploring and discovering themselves, their minds and making permanent and lasting changes in their lives.
Does analysis means that I have to come to my sessions 4 or 5 times a week?
Yes. Classical analysis is scheduled 5 times a week and it lasts many years. I also do a psychoanalytic psychotherapy when I meet with patients 1 to 3 times a week. Even once a week psychotherapy is a big commitment. Anyone who is looking for psychotherapy, I suggest, should visit initially several therapists, including a psychoanalyst, and to pick up one who suits best for him or her. See you later.
Dr. Augis, are you also a pilot?
No, I am just a psychoanalyst. Prepare for landing.